Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maya Tun. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to create or on how to set up Maya Tun Pro VPN application, custom SNI settings, using those settings of custom SNI or using the SSL protocol in all countries and on all networks. So guys, I just request you guys to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also to like the video. So guys, let us continue. If you get any problem, I'm going to leave the comment section open so that you can express your ideas, ask some of your questions, provided that you follow the community guidelines. So let us head over to Google Play Store. Once we open Google Play Store, we're going to activate the search bar and then we're going to search Maya Tun Pro VPN. So guys, many of YouTubers don't give this application time, but this is the one of the best applications. That's what I can confirm, because I've been using this application for a bit, some little time. So download, install, then open this application. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, educational, and information purposes only. Users are requested to follow community guidelines, local laws, and other network service providers' terms and conditions. So guys, after installing this application, allow all permissions and then join the Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates. Let us first go step by step. It's gonna be a beginner friendly, so that even if you have never set any VPN application, this tutorial is right for you. You learn. I'm not going to use complicated tech words. I'm gonna just be using a simple language so that anyone on this video can be able to set this application using the custom SNI settings. Let us go and then we check right here. Okay. Alright. We're going to first come. We update the servers and then let us wait for a few moments until we say what no updates available. Now we're going to come where we have custom setup, step by step, beginner friendly, simple and easier. Check right there where we have http/direct or http to direct, or the gear icon. You can tap where you see the gear icon. Then once you reach the gear icon, you're going to come right here, and then you're going to come right here. We have SSL direct. Then we're going to be putting in our SNI or the server name identification. Maybe I'm correct, but you're going to put in right your country's SNI. But if you don't know your country's SNI, or your country's SNI was blocked, I can help you with one. Just let me know in the comment section your country and the network. I'll be providing you with one. But for a moment, we're going to be using this one. But if you don't have your country's SNI, the comment section is open. You can check up the comments commented on this video to look for your country. If you're not seeing your country, comment your country. I'm going to be replying you in the fastest time or in the fastest period possible. Now let us go where we have save. After, come where we have start. By doing this, let me show you. It will connect in just a single tap. That is it, and I sign out. Don't forget to subscribe.